Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to participate on the Ari-wallet airdrop. Just like Trust Wallet, when Trust Wallet actually launched, they actually gave out some tokens to their early users. That's exactly the same thing that Ari-wallet is about to do right now, because recently they have announced that they have actually started their point campaign on January 11th. You can see what they say right here. They say Ari-wallet has been officially launched, and coming over here right now, they say something like how to participate. They gave you all the guideline, and right now guys, we need to actually do some stuff right here to actually make us eligible for the airdrop. Like what they say right here, they say holders of Ari points in Ari wallet will become eligible for future Ari airdrop. So right now guys, I'm going to be showing you the exact step that you need to take for you to actually qualify properly for this Ari wallet airdrop, just like we qualified when Trust Wallet actually did their own airdrop. So right now, what is Ari wallet all about? So Ari wallet is just like your normal wallet, but it's actually a platform that bridge Web2 companies to Web3. So right now, without talking much, let's now go ahead and of course talk about the exact step that you need to actually take to participate on the testnet airdrop. So right now, what you need to do is simply click on the link below the video you're watching right now. That is on the video description box. Once you click on it, it's going to be taking you to your Play Store or Apple Store, wherever you want to be downloading it from. So you can go ahead and of course download this Ari wallet right here. This is the correct one. Make sure you use the link on the video description. That's going to be helping you with the exact correct link so that you won't go and download a scam wallet. So right now you go ahead and of course install Ari wallet immediately. You click on install. This is going to be installing your Ari wallet right now. So now the downloading is done, and right now we need to actually open the app and actually go ahead with next step. All right, so if you're watching this video right now, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet, and you can also go ahead and participate on our token giveaway, which involves you doing some certain stuff on our channel. For example, make sure you are subscribed, like this video you're watching right now, share the video, and make sure that you drop a very nice and interesting comment. When that being done, you are now in a position to earn free tone coin from our channel. All right, so right now guys, you go ahead and of course click on open, and once you click on open right now, so you need to actually go ahead and select testnet. Their main net has not gone live yet, so right now we are participating on their testnet, and for that we are going to be rewarded later as airdrop. So you click on testnet right now, and over here guys, you need to actually input your ID, which is your email, and of course put your password. This is if you are logging in, but if you haven't created an account before, you go ahead and click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, you need to actually agree to the terms and condition and all that. You go ahead and click on next. So over here they are going to require you to actually put your email and verify your email. After that, you go ahead and of course insert your password and confirm it, then you click on next. Boom, I have completed all this right now. So over here guys, you are going to be required to put a referral code right here. So the exact referral code to use is also going to be on the video description. So this is for you to actually get some bonus when you actually create your account. So right now I'm going to be inserting my referral code here right now, then I'll be clicking on next. Over here guys, on the next step, you are going to be giving your master key like this. So what you need to do from here is to simply make sure that you first of all, you can go ahead to screenshot this master key right here. Okay, because if you lost your master key, you are no longer going to be gaining access into this wallet. So copy your master key, write it somewhere very safe, or screenshot it and put the picture where it's going to be very safe so that you won't lose it later. So right now you go ahead and of course click on OK. You can copy it like this, then paste it anywhere to copy it, or you can go ahead and of course screenshot it, then you click on OK. So once you are done storing your referral code, your recovery phrase or your private key, you go ahead and of course click on OK. So you are going to be taken straight into the wallet, and right now guys, this is how the wallet actually looks like. So first thing first, you are going to be required to actually complete your daily check-in. You click on check-in right now. So this is going to be loaded up right now, and they're going to giving you some Ari tokens, which is going to be added to your balance right about now. So it's very, very easy. So you can see right here guys, the more you check in consecutively, the higher the token that you earn. Coming over here on the 7th day, you are going to be earning 50 Ari tokens. Okay, so right now you click on close right now, and over here right now you can see that we got 50 Ari. Okay, we got 50 Ari as our welcome bonus, and right now we just claim 10 Ari as our daily check-in bonus. So once you have gotten to this point, then congratulations, because you have secured yourself a Ari account right now. So the next thing you need to do from here is to simply go ahead and click on this straight line right here. Once you click on the straight line, then you have to scroll down. You are going to see today's quiz. So you need to be answering the quiz every single day, because the more that you answer the quiz, the more bonus that you actually gain. Okay, so you go ahead and of course click on today's quiz. Then they're gonna be asking you some certain question, but do not bother, because all the answers to the daily questions are going to be dropped on our Telegram channel. So make sure you are on our Telegram channel so you don't get to miss out on this one. So the answer to this question is of course B, which is number 2. So you click on check right now. Let's see if we are correct about this right here. So it's going to be loading up right now. You can see, congratulations, you have earned 10 Ari coin for answering correctly. So all the answers to the questions are on our Telegram channel. Make sure you are there. Use the link on the video description to get started. So right now I will click on OK, and you can see right now it has been added to my balance right now. And of course, what you need to do right now is simply make sure that you are checking in daily, answering the questions, the daily quiz daily, and that's how simple it is to participate on Ari-wallet airdrop. Remember, this is their testnet, and the token that you are earning right now are not valuable, or they are not worth any amount of money. It is totally testnet and you cannot use it for anything. So your job right now is to simply make sure you are collecting as many points as possible, so that you're going to be receiving a bigger airdrop allocation later. Thank you for watching the video. I believe you got a value from this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Make sure you join our toon giveaway, and finally stay blessed, as I'm going to be talking to you guys on our next video.